Hello, everyone. I am so glad you're here. For today's piece, I plan to start with a swipe pour, but once it dries, I will embellish it. And I have a couple of ideas in my mind, not concrete yet, but let's start the process. So, to begin, I divide the canvas into two parts. So, I will not be layering the paint line across the whole canvas. Therefore, here I'm adding copper halfway through, but then I thought I should measure. So here I'm measuring and dividing the canvas so I can have two equal paint lines. For paint layering, I'll be using all golds, copper, burnt sienna, silver, and for swipe, I will be using black with few drops of silicone. And you can see I'm not layering the same paint across, so different um, paint in the half portions to give it some kind of character. So let's start the process and hope you will enjoy it. And I'll see you at the end.
So here is our swipe result. I really like it. Um, Earlier I was thinking of making a single line with the single color, but I'm glad I did this in two separate sections with different colors in front of each other, and it came out really beautiful. In on itself, I think this looks so pretty. I don't think I have to do the embellishment anymore on this one. But let's see. Let it dry and we'll go on next step. Alrighty. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so now this is completely dried. I would like to create some flower arrangement right here. Let's see.
So here's the final dried result. Only thing I did was outline the flowers to give it more definition, but in and itself it was good. I liked how I added that little tinge of green. It is giving it a pop of that color. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in next video.